Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are looking at my July mystery sub kit from DEK Designs. So this kit comes every month. It is super cheap subscription. I think it's like 15 bucks with the shipping or something like that. Like, it's really cheap. You get a monster sized kit and usually a mystery item. So this month's mystery item is this kind of shimmery, I don't know, it's a house on, I think, water because of the stilts and stuff with some palm trees, but I don't know the name for that kind of thing. And it's blank on the back, so it's kind of like a journaling card or an accent piece. You can just glue it in your planner or whatever you want to do with it. So that was really cool. So here is the July mystery kit. This is separate from the monthly sub box, totally different subscription. Okay, so let's see, we've got flamingos and drinks and watermelon and wide-brimmed hats and flowers, stars, vacation bags. This is really, really cute. I like this. Okay, so we've got our day covers. I found out 2 days ago that DEK calls these arch boxes, and I like that much better than tombstones, so I'm going to try to say that instead of tombstones. And then we've got 6 foiled hexagons down here, and then we've got our washi. So we've got the tropical flowers with sparkly foil and bows over it, and then we've got a plain pink with kind of outlines of flowers on them. Well, not outlines, solid flowers. They do have lines in them to denote leaves and things. And then we've got this sheet with our decorative flags, half circle floral lace kind of box things, work boxes, foiled bows, a whole bunch of these decorative arch boxes, which I think are super cute, and then 3 more of these half circle floral lace kind of deals with the bows and stars on them. And then on our next page, and this is just regular gold foil, by the way. So we've got decorative boxes, we've got headers with foil on them, we've got 3 more decorative boxes, 3 more decorative boxes with the foil lace on them, but there's like more space because it's a whole box. 3 headers with bows, 3 habit trackers, 3 boxes with those flowers on them, 3 more headers with foil on top, and then we've got 3 hexagons, 3 squares, 3 more hexagons, and these all have a foiled flower pattern on them. And then we've got our date dots, a couple of little icons, and the usual words. Grateful and Trash Eve are there. And then we've got 6 3-heart checklists, a 6-heart checklist, the clipboard, the Monday through Sunday, and then these like swashes, swishy things, and these kind of like arched heart divider type deals. And then there's a scalloped border or banner, whatever you want to call it, down here. And let's see, there are 3 foiled flags over here in pink. Thing is, when I pull them up, I tend to like not be able to get them back down and ruin them, so the band-aids aren't helping me either, so I'm gonna just not mess with those for this. When we go do our plan with me with this, which will be released on the 19th of July, you'll probably see those, maybe. I'll take one off for the heck of it. Alright, so we've got the headers with the usual words. Today, to do, meals, work, this week, exercise. I think that's all of them. We've got the foiled glitter strips. We've got 5 3-heart checklists. Another banner here, and then you've got 3 flags over here, 1 in each main color of the kit. And then there's people. DK calls them fashion girls. I call them people. I don't like people in my planner, in case you're new here. I do like the leaves and the trees though. So I've been gathering stuff up for a people sticker giveaway, which we have to redo. So we'll be doing that at some point. I still have to draw the winner for the 500 subscriber giveaway, and then I'll worry about that. Okay, so now we've got like 2 additional sheets. So, and these are non-foiled. So you've got 6 scalloped rectangle boxes. You've got the 6 square boxes. They kind of look like sticky notes, but they've got like fake washi with bows on it across the corner. I love those boxes. We've got 6 of these ovals with the stitching, and then 4 of these kind of more square but still rectangular scallopy boxes down there. And then you've got all these little like deco and then useful icon things. So you've got sneakers, knives and forks and spoons, dishwashing icons. There's 2 trash eaves on here. You've got the pillows, coffee pots, teapots, washing machines, a whole planning setup, grocery bags, laundry baskets, and that's all the like kind of functional, you know, icon stuff. And then all this deco down here that goes with the kit. So you've got like the drinks, the flowers, the little on vacation bag, the watermelon, really pretty flowers, this giant flamingo. Here's a camera on like a very elaborate camera strap, and more flowers. So that's pretty much it for this kit. So it's a big kit, comes once a month, you never know what you're gonna get. And then there's the mystery item. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.